The 2023 Porsche 911, a masterpiece of German engineering, raises the bar once again in the sports car market. With its blend of iconic design, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance, this new model offers a thrilling experience that sets the standard for the industry. The exterior of the Porsche 911 is characterized by its timeless yet modern design. Its sleek lines, muscular proportions, and signature round headlights evoke the storied history of the 911 lineage, while the adaptive rear spoiler and large air intakes reflect the car's aggressive performance capabilities. The updated LED taillights and redesigned exhaust outlets are subtle touches that seamlessly blend form and function. Under the hood, the new 911 boasts a turbocharged 3-liter flat-six engine that provides remarkable power and efficiency. With 443 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque, the model delivers a breathtaking 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 3.5 seconds. This impressive performance is further enhanced by the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring rapid gear shifts and a smooth driving experience. Porsche has not overlooked the importance of fuel efficiency and environmental consciousness. The 911 features an advanced auto start-stop system and energy recuperation technology, which help to reduce emissions and optimize fuel consumption without compromising performance. Safety and driver assistance features have been enhanced in the model, offering drivers peace of mind on the road. Notable innovations include adaptive cruise control, lane change assist, and a comprehensive suite of sensors and cameras that provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle. These systems work together to create a safer and more intuitive driving experience. For the driving enthusiast, the 911 offers several performance-enhancing options, such as the Sport Chrono package, which adds dynamic engine mounts, a sport exhaust system, and a performance display. An available all-wheel drive system, coupled with Porsche's active suspension management, allows for unparalleled handling and stability, even in challenging driving conditions. The 911 is available in several trims, including the Carrera, Carrera S, Carrera 4, Carrera 4S, and Targa 4, each offering unique performance attributes and design elements. These options allow buyers to tailor the 911 to their specific tastes and requirements. The Porsche 911 is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, performance, and design excellence. With its breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable style, this new model is sure to capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts and continue the 911's legacy as a true automotive icon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.